Hey traders, welcome to the live crypto trading masterclass. And in this video class, I'm going to teach you exactly how to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair and trade them in real time. In fact, after testing all the crypto trading strategies I found on the internet and lost over 2 Bitcoins, I decided to run a bunch of experiments on a candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs. And thanks to the data provided by the tradingview.com chart page, I discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair is divided into sessions of bullish trend and sessions of bearish trend. Hence, the name bullish trend section and bearish trend section was formed. So, the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. With that out of the way, I'm going to still teach you the 4-step process to your crypto trading success, starting with step number 1. In step number 1, I'm going to teach you how to trade short or long based on the price conditions of the Bitcoin market price. And in step number 2, I'm going to teach you exactly how to identify the most current bullish or bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency pair. And in step number 3, I'm going to show you exactly how to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the 4-hour candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair. And finally, in step number 4, I'm going to show you exactly how to decide on your crypto trading entry and exit conditions before you can jump right into executing any live trading activity on any cryptocurrency exchange. So if you want to learn how to consistently grow your crypto trading account, head over to the next video lessons to get started right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video lessons.